Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix meta verification not available on Instagram. So guys, just simply you have to open Instagram, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that if your account is creator, just simply you have to go to three lines and just simply go to setting and privacy and just simply go to uh, account type and tools from here, and then go to switch to professional, and then you have to select your category as a creator. So from here guys, just simply have to select your category as a creator from here guys, and after that you have to check if it's showing or not. If it's still not showing guys, then what you need to do is just simply check your date of birth and make sure that you were over 18. And after that guys, just simply you have to verify your identity and make sure that your ID card name same as your profile name. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to update the Instagram app, and after that check if it's showing or not. If it's still not showing guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to create a request to Instagram team and tell them that the meta verification is not available for you and you want to join meta verification and want to verify your account. And after that hopefully your problem will be fixed too. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.